In this tutorial I will show you how to fix the YouTube library option is not showing. First open your YouTube app. As you can see in the bottom part of our screen you should see a library button, but in the recent update the library is replaced by this U button. This should be the library section, but it's now the U section. If you still want to see that library option, just close the app and open phone settings. Go to Apps. Search for YouTube here. You will see this 3 dots option in the top right corner. Tap on that. Then tap on Uninstall. This will revert our YouTube app to the past version and you will now see the library option again.